Yeah. So, okay. In the last video, the prototype got a little messed up. So I thought I'll do a very, very quick and small video where, the prototyping can be done using Figma uh, individual frames. Okay. So the thing is like this. Uh, so we will quickly start through one of the frames. So you have to, okay, I'll delete this. This is unwanted stuff which is there. So this is one more login page which I have developed, which will lead to landing page frame, and then which will lead to profile. And one important thing about this prototyping is you can actually select individual elements, and it will highlight whenever you get into the page to click on that particular individual element. So I will explain now. After starting, okay, after starting from here, let's say we'll start from login. We'll say we'll select prototype. We'll say this is the flow starting point. Then we'll start interactions. Okay, scrolling, we will say vertical scrolling, and then go to show prototype settings. There you can select the model which I already shown, like what is the model, how the outline of the model and all can be selected. Now what we will do is, already the login page, there is a hook which is there, which you need to select for the flow. So login to landing, there is no much you know flow changes which are required. It is pretty it's self-explanatory. Just you go on for Google sign in or LinkedIn or Facebook, whatever you want. You have for which you have the credentials, you can sign in. Okay, that is one thing. Okay, then you'll say navigate to landing page. Yeah, navigate to landing page. You can select where you want to navigate to. Okay. So you will select escape. Okay, since you have selected this, now it will show you the next. So if you click on here, it will show you the bubble. So from that bubble you select. So I am selecting the bubble and giving it to the profile page. Okay, so it is saying smart animate, ease out, everything. Just leave that as it is. Okay, if you want to change, you can change. There are so many options: move in, move out, push, slide, different varieties of how the scroll happens once you push it. Okay, once you go tap on it. Okay, so on tap it is saying. Okay, I will show you once you come to the prototype page. So after coming here, you if you select the page, it will show individual bubbles. Okay, individual bubbles. For example, you can select particular section that is tapping on that particular section. You can lead to different page. Okay, different page or different part of the page. Okay, so for example, we'll say scan new will take it to scan to cart. Just leave it like that. Okay, uh, then here, after scanning, I want to add. Okay, you are scanning, then you want to add it. So I am selecting a bubble from here. After adding, I want to show the cart. Okay, so it is showing it's going to the cart page. But from cart page, I don't want to if I select individual elements, if I select this or this individual element, it can revert back to the previous page. Those flows we will see afterwards. The first flow, what we'll try to concentrate on, the first full flow from login page to the checkout page, checkout and payment success page. So I don't want this. I want this button to be clicked. Checkout 360 rupees. Already we are assuming that already few things are there in the cart. So once I selected, it will go here, and then I enter number, everything. So it will say click pay to order. I want this to happen. Okay, click pay to order, and from click pay to order I want to go to success screen. Okay, so checkout page there is connection, and from checkout page to success screen there is connection. Payment success screen there is connection. Okay, if you want to go to the details, if you want to download invoice, you can design separate page here, a parallel page, and say download invoice, some text field you can show from there. Okay, so this is regarding the prototype part of it. This I am doing for individual frames, unlike yesterday's uh, um mask group frame. I am showing here individual frame: login, success, checkout, cart, scan, profile, land. Okay, land is the second page actually in the order. uh, it's a pure linear success, linear flow of screens and scroll logic. Okay, so now what we'll do, we have done this. Okay, now we have done this, and we want it to be we want to see how the changes are. Okay, so we will say uh, present. Okay, I am clicking the present button to check whether this flow what I am visualizing and done in prototype is actually working. Okay, it takes a little time, so it has come. So you see red border here, it is nothing but iPhone 13 red border model which we selected. So we will just say we will tap. Okay, these two things are simple tap. That is, you log in through social login, then it is tapping. Yeah. So if you tap, if you see, I am tapping somewhere else. I am not tapping in scan new. I am tapping in say some other part of the screen. It is highlighting. If you see, it is highlighting. So I have to come here and tap in scan new. Then only it will lead me to the next page. So again the same thing. If I tap here, it is showing tap on the add button. If you say little popping up, highlighting which happens. Yeah. So this is beautiful clickable prototype which is coming. Okay. Now again I will show you. So in this screen we have made sure that we tap the checkout button. Okay. Anywhere else you tap, nothing happens. It will keep on highlighting checkout button. So I enter every detail, and I say, if I say, it again pops up. Click pay, click to pay for the order. Okay, so I have to tap on that particular button in order for it to scroll to the next page. Okay, so that's it. We have done one full flow from the login page to the landing page to the payment success screen. This is beautiful. That is, we have selected individual parts of it, and then we have, you know, uh, selected individual part of it, and then we have given the flow. Yeah. So that's it for this video. So I thought I'll do a small little clarification video for this. That's it. It has taken 10 minutes already. Okay then. See you.